What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the shifter knob on a 2003 and newer Saab 9.3, the new generation Saab 9.3. When I went to the junkyard this past weekend, I found a lot of little parts for my 9.3, one of them being the cup holder, which I just replaced in a recent video. If you haven't seen that, make sure to check it out, but I finally have a functioning cup holder again. One of the other little things I found was this shifter knob. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace it, because chances are yours might be bubbling up around here like mine was, or this chrome, plastic, aluminum, whatever it is, little trim here might be peeling on the backside like mine was. And it's just very annoying that every time you shift you feel that. And most of the instructions online that I could find when I was looking at the junkyard as to how to remove this, it's a very simple process, as you'll see, but just about everything was for a manual, which of course is completely different from the automatic. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and without further ado, I figure let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do, key in the ignition of course, and turn it to the on or off position, doesn't really matter. Put the car in drive. Of course, it'd probably be smart to put your e-brake on as well. And to get this off, you're going to twist this bottom part clockwise, very slightly. Once you have it twisted, you're going to be able to push it down. Now, I needed a little bit of help with a plastic pry tool to kind of get it off the rest of the way, like that. And once you have that off, you can just kind of pull up and your shift knob will come right off. So reinstallation is pretty simple. I want to show you guys what it looks like though. You see these two little tabs on the bottom, and then if you come over here, there are two little cutouts in this metal piece, one on either side. So those are just going to slide right in. So you'll be able to see on the inside there's a little piece, like almost a little cutout where that slides into, and it's almost at like 1 o'clock, like maybe almost 2 o'clock, where it's going to slide up. You can just kind of pull up on it most of the way like that. And then, of course, when you're done, twist it back. This button might not want to press in at first. That's what I kind of noticed with mine. So you just kind of got to like push it almost back into neutral and just kind of like keep pressing it, and then now you can see it's pressing itself back in. So there you have it, guys. That's how you do a shifter replacement on a automatic Saab 9.3. Pretty simple job, but I figured I would film it because there isn't really much online about it that I could see, at least when I was at the junkyard trying to research how to take this thing off, because I mean there's no visible screws or anything, so it's just a little trick, pretty well designed if I do say so myself. But with that being said, that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video informative or helpful, or just happened to enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.